can give you a thousand of data points. Okay, so imagining you are standing at a crossroad. Now AI can explain every single road, but it can't decide which one to walk. You are not waiting for the perfect answer. You are just stuck. Therefore, you reach that moment where you actually have to decide. But somehow your brain finds another excuse to wait. An excuse that doesn't even exist. So stop trying to fix your next 5 years. Suppose you want to switch careers. Don't rage quit your job tomorrow. Just lower the stakes. Ask yourself, can I try this for 30 days? Don't treat it like a permanent life sentence. Spend 2 hours freelancing each day. And look, if you are still stuck in your own mind, then sorry, but outsource your brain. Think of the person you look up the most, whether it's your idol, best friend, or your mentor. Ask yourself, what would they tell me to do right now? It's a cheap psychological trick, but it forces you to give yourself the objective, the cold advice you are usually too scared to admit.